In this video, we'll see how we can take the FastAPI-based MCP server further. So we are going to see the simplest MCP server first, and then we'll see how easily we can add additional tools to it. Let's see the code first. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. So we have the FastAPI object created here. Then the FastAPI MCP object gets this APP. Okay. And this decorator is what is connecting this add as a tool to our MCP. Let's run the application using Docker Compose up, simple plain Python execution. Now, if you come to MCP inspector and connect to our endpoint, and if you click on list tools, you will see add post tool. Okay, add post. How is it getting this name, tool name? It is constructing this tool name. FastAPI MCP is constructing this tool name, but that is not nice. We should be able to control the name of the tool. We specified just add, correct? So our function name is add. Endpoint also what we have specified is add through the decorator. What we will do is we will add additional parameters to this decorator. That is operation IDs, add two numbers. And we are also specifying add two numbers. Let's make it all uppercase, adding two number just to differentiate. This adds two numbers. So I'm giving operation ID, summary, and description as the decorator to our tool. Let me restart the application and clear list tools, disconnect, connect, list tools. See here, add underscore two numbers we got. This is better than its own constructed name. Okay, then here adding two numbers came, and this adds two numbers. The description also came, and it works as well. So this is how we add a tool to our MCP server. Now we will also demonstrate adding one more tool. So here we are adding a function multiply. Multiply is two numbers. Here the decorator multiplies. Decorator has the tool name. So here we have the add tool, and here we have the multiply tool. Add and multiply. Okay, that is it. Now let's restart the application and look at the MCP server. Disconnect and reconnect. List tools. Sorry, I didn't save the file. Clear, list tools, disconnect, connect, list tools. See here, add two numbers, multiply two numbers, 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, so this way you can easily create your own MCP server-based SaaS applications. Whatever you want to do within your tool, using Python, you can add them, replace these add and multiply functions and replace it with your Python code, and the input parameters you can adapt accordingly. The operation ID, summary, description, you can define. Remember, these are important for the MCP tool to identify which tool to use when you connect this tool to an agent. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert NoCodeMake.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.